Hello, welcome back to another adventure or camping trip at West Frisky, the Beaver. So me and my sister has come to Sandbanks for 2 nights to do some camping. Let's see what happens. Probably raining as it is in the forecast. So we made it to a campsite now, just to get ready and put everything up, set it up. Not much to do here. It's basically one big pull-in site, which technically my second pull-in site I do, and I like them better. So, as my sister's getting the campfire ready, let's see. Is it a big campfire?
Where are they?
Somewhere in the trailer. Time to look.
Alright, let's just put it down.
There, it's done. My setup is done. Easy. Inside is a mess still. So it's morning, it's overcast. The rain didn't seem like it hit last night to us, but I did look at the weather app and it kind of above us. So we missed us, so which is good. Since the last days it's been raining where we were. Slept pretty good. Still like the only ones in this section of the park, of the campground, which is pretty nice. Hasn't happened before. As you can hear, the birds are out chirping. It's overcast. There's rain in the afternoon, so we're going to do a few things in the morning time, hopefully before the rain, and planning to make some breakfast now for me and my sister and enjoy the morning a little bit before we head off to the sand dunes of this park. Now me and my sister are now going for our morning walk. As you can see, she's behind me. We are going hopefully to the dunes, which is we were camping beside. It's still overcast. Rain's supposed to come around noon for a few hours, then a break, then more rain. But will it rain? I hope not. So we made it to the dunes of Sandbanks, and as you can see, I'm in between two dunes, so it's like a little forest in between the dunes. It's pretty nice. Wish it was a little less windy. Just like Ontario, I think. Not 100% sure, but I definitely know where that water source is. We're walking up a hill of sand. What's on the other side? I see water. Okay. Continuing with the track of the dunes trail in this park. If you did not know that it was sand dunes, you would think it would be in a forest, which I am not. I'm just in between sand dunes and a forest has grown in it. It's kind of cool. So we finished the Sandbanks Dune Trail. Took longer than expected just because we stopped and I filmed some videos. But overall it was a nice, beautiful things. saw stuff that we really didn't see it anywhere else, and the fact that it is also kind of has swamps in it, which I did not knew it had. That's pretty decent to know. So me and my sister got back to camp and decided to go see a bird sanctuary, and hopefully we can get there before it closes, which is odd that something would close if it's a park. So we stopped at an outlook at the Prince Edward Point National Wildlife Area. That's the name of the place where we're in right now. Haven't been here before, but that view was priceless. So within this wildlife place, they have a bird observatory. Hopefully I'm saying that word right. Basically where they track birds migrations and coming in and coming out of the area. It's like one building, a few people working, tracking birds. So came back from our excursion, and then we basically, it was raining, so we just stayed inside the trailer, just hanged out. Now the rain has stopped and sister's making a second fire of our camping trip. Hopefully it's a good one. Well, it's time to go. It's time to pack up and hit the road. Last night was pretty good. It didn't rain. It was on the cold side, but nothing undoable. Now it's time to go home. Probably a 4 to 5 hour drive. Not looking forward to that. If you like this content, remember to hit like, comment, and subscribe for the next one. And thank you for doing so. And have yourselves a nice day.